Have you ever wondered what makes fiery red chilies such an integral part of our daily diet? From spicy Thai hot pot, Korean kimchi, to the famous sriracha sauce, they all start from a tiny seed in a sunny field. But the process of transforming these fiery chilies into delicious culinary products is not simple. Let's explore the incredible journey of chilies, from planting to appearing on your dinner table. 1. Origin and development of chili plant. Chili peppers originated in the Americas and have been cultivated by humans for thousands of years. Indigenous tribes used chilies not only as a spice but also as a medicine. After the expeditions of Christopher Columbus, chilies spread around the world and became an indispensable part of many cuisines. Today, peppers are grown all over the world in hundreds of varieties, from the mildly sweet bell pepper to the Carolina Reaper, the world's hottest pepper. The United States is one of the largest producers of peppers, especially in states like California, New Mexico and Texas, where the climate is ideal with abundant sunshine and fertile soil. Chili cultivation, an elaborate art. Planting and caring for seedlings, the process of growing chili peppers begins with the selection of the right variety. High-quality seeds are sown in high-tech nurseries where temperature, humidity, and light are carefully controlled to ensure optimal germination rates. After about 4 to 6 weeks, the seedlings are strong enough to be transferred to the main field. Modern transplanters help to arrange the plants precisely, ensuring that each plant has enough space for optimal growth and photosynthesis. The distance between plants is usually 30 to 50 centimeters depending on the variety, allowing the plants enough space to grow. Care during growth. To grow healthy chili plants, farmers need to carefully monitor the watering and fertilizing regime. Drip irrigation systems are commonly used to provide water efficiently, avoiding waterlogging. Chili plants also need to be regularly fertilized with organic or chemical fertilizers to ensure high yields. Pest control is an important part of the cultivation process. Chili plants are susceptible to pests such as aphids, thrips, and fungi. Farmers use biological measures, such as natural predators, or pesticides to protect the plants. Three. Harvest, the most important stage. Chilies typically take around 2 to 3 months to reach their full maturity, when they turn bright red or the color typical of the variety. On larger farms, harvesting is aided by modern machinery, which saves labor and speeds up the process. These harvesters can gently shake the plants to knock off the ripe fruit without damaging the plant. On smaller farms, harvesting is still done by hand to ensure optimum quality. Workers meticulously select each chili to ensure it is not bruised or damaged, maintaining its freshness. Four. Chili processing, variations to meet all needs. After harvesting, chili enters the processing stage to create diverse products. This is an important step to extend the preservation time and optimize the commercial value of chili. Cleaning and grading, fresh chilies are brought to the factory where they are washed to remove dirt and impurities. A sorting machine then sorts the chilies according to size, color, and quality. Those that meet the standards are sent to the next stages of processing. Drying, long-term preservation method. For products such as chili powder, the drying process is an important step. Traditional sun drying helps retain the natural flavor and prolongs the preservation time. Meanwhile, industrial drying ensures faster speed and better moisture control. After drying, the chili is ground into a fine powder and goes through a screening process to remove impurities. Finally, the chili powder is packaged in moisture-proof packaging to ensure quality. Making sriracha sauce. One of the most famous products made from chili peppers is sriracha sauce. The production process begins with grinding fresh chili peppers, then mixing them with garlic, sugar, vinegar, and salt. The mixture is cooked, strained, and bottled, creating the signature spicy sauce that many people love. Five, chili peppers in the global market. Currently, the total global chili production is about 40 million tons/year, with India being the largest producer and exporter, accounting for 35% of the global total. China is second, exporting mainly fresh and dried chili. The United States, despite its large production, still has to import significant amounts from Mexico and Peru to meet domestic demand. Six, health benefits of chili peppers, more than just a spice. Not only is it a culinary ingredient, chili also brings many health benefits. The capsaicin component in chili helps stimulate metabolism, aid digestion, and lose weight. In addition, chili is also rich in vitamins A, C, and antioxidants, helping to strengthen the immune system and protect the cardiovascular system. Studies also show that consuming chili at a reasonable level can help reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. However, eating too much chili can irritate the stomach and digestive system, so it should be used reasonably. Finally, from a small seed to famous bottles of sauce around the world, the journey of chili is an interesting story about the care, science, and passion of growers. Chili not only brings a spicy flavor to dishes but also contributes to creating the culinary cultural identity of many countries. So which chili pepper is your favorite? Share in the comments and don't forget to follow to discover more interesting things about the food world.